Hi guys, I'm making this video to unbox my Bose SoundLink Color 2, which is white color. I love this product. So guys who like Bose much, so yeah, I want to unbox it. So this is the Bose SoundLink Color 2. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Very good to use this one for the outside parties. So it has got very good packing. So this is the one. It is not milky white, but this looks pretty good for me. It is a little bit heavier, and I've got a manual here. So the SoundLink Color 2, what it shows is how to connect to the phone, how to charge it. So all those steps they have given. So we have in different languages. So the Bose Connect, we have an app here, the Bose Connect app. So the Bose SoundLink Color 2 Bluetooth speaker, they have given some information on this. That's good. Oh, we have got a cable to recharge that. So that's it, yeah. So this is the Bose speaker. It's packed very well. You should be knowing the Bose premium sound quality. This looks pretty good for me. So here is the one to power on the power on the Bose. I'm switching on the Bose speaker. Seems there is no power to the device. Maybe. Okay, so I need to make a different video to power it on, and yeah, that's it. So this is the Bose speaker. Thanks for watching my video.